staple that's always there. Always a staple behind my thermostat. Yep. Back and forth. Wonder how my concrete guys are doing. They're almost finished. I only have these deep boxes. How about these pregnant ones? Pull it up. Up, up, up. Crank her up. Geez, what'd you do? Go down to the basement? Whoop. Hang on, I lost it. I got it. Thank you. Hang on, hang on. Need more?
Don't need more.
Okay, hang on. I'll thread it to you. I got it. I see it. That's it. We're done. How do you like that? I taped that up for nothing. Had a little nick in the wire. What the hell is this? Alright. Junk. That wire wasn't on very tight. Look at that. Barely holding on. Well, these thermostats on the heaters, down low, are history. Junk. Now we're going to have thermostats on the walls where they belong. That's a good thing. Whew, those birds are chirping outside. It's wonderful. Hear them? I love it. Reminds me of summertime, which it is. Back to work. Got Fruit Loops upstairs, cranking away. And my phone, my new phone, my contact list went from 300 to 12 people. All my phone numbers are all gone, everything. What a bugger. Ugh, what a pain. I don't understand why. On the SIM card, on the phone's memory, it's freaking ridiculous. Looking up a friend's phone number that I've been texting and calling back and forth, gone. I think this phone's going back. Alright. The day progresses. It's raining outside. Got the men upstairs screwing and gluing down the floor with insulation and lots of wiring. I'm going to test the heater connections and make sure before I wire it up I got it all right. Nothing goes zzz. Cutler hammer. I think I like square DQO better. Should go zzz. Small spark. It's good. The draw the heater makes. Alright, that's good. Square DQOs have a little red flag in a window that shows you, QO, quick off, that shows you that the breaker is tripped, plus the breaker goes to a mid position, whereas the Cutler hammer, CH, which is supposed to be one of the better panels, or the best, the Cutler hammer just goes to off. I like the mid position. It shows you the breaker tripped. Alright, I'll wire up my thermostat. Get the heater back on the wall. And put the light fixture up. 110 volt smoke detector. So we're good to go.